a crazy day, people. This is another theory video, but it's not a FNAF theory, people. Instead, we have a Pokemon theory. And I just thought of this. It's, is Mewtwo a boy or a girl? So I thought of this when me and Ramis were just playing. We were talking about Pokemon. And then we came to questions. Is Ditto a boy or a girl? Is something a boy or a girl? Then I thought of the harder question. Is Mewtwo a boy or a girl? So, this might seem easy. Mewtwo is a boy. But Mewtwo is a girl. You see, in the original Pokemon movies, I believe Pokemon used a male voice for Mewtwo. But in the newer movies, they use a female voice. And for the older movies, I'm talking about Mewtwo Strikes Back. And for the newer movies, I'm talking about Genesect and the Legend Awakened. I think that's what it's called. But who cares? So, if you watch those movies, you'll hear Mewtwo's voice. And my theory is that Mewtwo is both genders. Almost like Ditto, but in a different way. He's not like both genders at the same time, just like Ditto is. He is both genders at separate times, or something like that. So here's what I'm talking about. So what I thought is that you see Mewtwo Mega evolve into Mega Mewtwo Y in the movie Genesect and Legend Awakened, where Mewtwo has a female voice. And also coupled with the fact that Mewtwo Y has some long sort of thing on its back, making it look like a girl. Making it seem like Mewtwo Y is a girl. Now Mewtwo X, in my opinion, looks cooler. And it has like these cool like shoulder pads and then all that kind of stuff. Seems like a boy. That's helping with the male voice and the female voices. So my theory about this is that Mega Mewtwo X and Mega Mewtwo Y were once separate entities. So, as we can tell from the game theorists, we can tell that Pokemon Go came before Pokemon Red and Blue. Came before Pokemon Red and Blue and Yellow and Green and all that kind of stuff. It's the first thing ever. We can tell because of Omanite, Omastar, Kabuto, Kabutops, all alive and well without you having to revive them with fossils. And I just realized I need a haircut. With that aside, the haircut thing, we have the thing where I believe that during that time, Mega Mewtwo X and Mega Mewtwo Y were different. They weren't simply Mewtwo. They were different. And given the natural stereotypes of a boy and a girl, where the boy would be stronger and more aggressive. That could imply that Mega Mewtwo X was causing trouble during that time, and Mega Mewtwo Y was failing to repel it. And with this, because of this, Arceus fused Mewtwo X and Y together to create the one, to create Mew. Yes. He created Mew by putting Mewtwo X and Mewtwo Y, Mewtwo X and Mewtwo Y together. Like Digimon, but with Pokemon. And this is my hairstyle. For some people, half of it is down, half of it is up. Okay, yeah, but who cares about my hair? So that means that we now have Mew. We now have Mew. So now we have Mew going around during the time of Pokemon Go, but then Mew becomes extinct. And when I say Mew becomes, because there was only one Mew. There's only one Mew. Mew became extinct along with Omanite, Omastar, Kabuto, and Kabutops. So then, during the time of Pokemon Red and Blue, Giovanni recovers a single gene of Mew to create Mewtwo. And Mewtwo has the power to Mega Evolve because of its new genetics. So think about the Pokemon worlds, the ones where Mega Evolution didn't exist, and the ones where Mega Evolution did. I think it was Game Theory who also proved this. I don't know if it was some other theorist or something else. I really don't know. But I say that in the time where Mega Evolution did not exist, and where the Delta episode didn't happen, I think, Mewtwo was what was fused, which was what was the creation of Mewtwo X and Mewtwo Y. And Mewtwo became extinct. Mew never existed. Giovanni and the scientists never created Mewtwo. Meaning that it can't Mega Evolve because it does not exist. And that there is no side quest in Pokemon Red and Blue and Yellow and Green, Red, Blue, and Green, after completing the championships, other than completing the decks. And then in the universe where Mega Evolution does exist, Arceus creates Mew, which goes extinct, allowing Giovanni and the scientists to create Mewtwo, And because of Mewtwo's existence, it can Mega Evolve. And then Red has a side quest. So yeah, that was my theory. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video.